I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what Mankind, and the other names those will be brave. This be celebrity what? Jawa. What be the Yawa way can drop? Yawa way ever drop, you know, it time like railway in the four plenty, drops plenty. But this Yawa there, if you one bullet where it drop, where it can be something where it happen. What it happen? We know scars. So who name scars anti-unit body or matic for Nigeria? Say economy nyama do koswa the way they would do plus the citizen. But we must cast way there or my yama abroso. Plenty people they lost their life inside. Some man become where he can't talk. Say he lost in kiddy for inside. The kiddy where he lost some aquano or anya de bia it's like some matter be where he come. Where the matter and they go fish solve him, but the scouts people no do where them kill the what the kiddy no. The man they cry where they toss it, if you God where you go what you go chop the matter give him. Where another people celebrities, people's where them day Nigeria, someone like Faust, someone like Pato Rankin, someone like Davido Whiskey, or money na do manual tomb banner boy, or money na to say make them what, make them shun that scars matter. Now they for protect the citizen, therefore know what, kill people where them day the country inside. Where the matter come where the brutality and things go on. Where that time not to know, Trump gets what coronavirus. Where Buhari come to say make Trump what? Make Trump shun the talk. Make Buhari shun the talk. Say make Trump shun the make you get speedy recovery for the coronavirus inside. When we can reply and say, Mr. President, if I think about what the country, if I not think about Trump get coronavirus, if you wanna matter something that happen for your country inside way. Oh, I saw Trump on no chill. That be what the reply, then thing we risky talk them. So no many are better said. Therefore what? Therefore stop that scars then things then talk on them street, stop scars, you know be easy. The way they beat man, the way they kill people, the way they do people no, bro, now you know be easy. Because here in Africans, we for love on ourselves, we are black lives matters, but in you be lied and thing, you be blacks now, we be the kill on ourselves. Where we go, we go protest and things say black lives matter and things. But see right now they make them dissolve the what? The scars. The IGP way it in Nigeria. All Nigeria no see they or make dissolve it for the betterment of the citizen. They say I saw IGP let or massam no because the protest no be easy. It be straight up 24/7 omu gusu sa ama Shatawale asama Stone Boy omu ni no do manual to Shatawale cry you no man omu say fast cars. That be what it happen when it trend. Right now we thank God say they dissolve am say right now you need anti-unit baby or ha or baby more treaty obi. When people start to comment, they talk say, you know be now where they stop no. You people where they talk say make them stop the car. You know be now where they stop no. Still the things go on. Some people talk say now you good say then they more treat them. But that be what people they talk. Another person talk say, oh, go, thank God say this thing all they can't stop. But what we be brothers where we they live. I say you do your own, I say you kun your own. That be another person in what? It matter where you can't talk. Where some woman we can't talk say, long time where I'm best stop it was stop scars. Mama stop it. I feel I shouldn't embark be brave. I shouldn't embark be me and son. Oh bro, you know be easy. I feel on my trans, on my resin. I want to say dear now. I want to say and then papa. I feel on my bed. I make dissolve it. Where them talk plenty. Where people too they bring them a suggestion and things say if they go do that thing now, therefore advise the what the scout people no. Therefore not treat human being like dogs than sheep. Like animals, I'm treating human being because human being they are more than influence. You have one crana, and so then the banana interrogating them. So, one no, not national prison, and so bono now pre-plan and then just say, we like we police new papa and ten. We plenty people they share them mind, plenty people they talk them mind for top. Where right now, everything will cool. That be the thing where it trend for Nigeria, where it happen for Nigeria then. But it's not the go on where plenty people for Ghana here to talk. It trend for Nigeria where it's not trend for Ghana because Nigeria and Ghana there. I say brothers and sisters. You know, you shibum, you be boom. Into some to Nigeria for a to Ghana for. When people they talk say, "Sako they not take remove put inside." The reason why Sarkodie put him off inside now, no bro know why Sarkodie put, because Sarkodie need himself or pound or kasa or kasa make Sarkodie get in what in privacy. That be what people too can't talk for Sarkodie in what it matter to. But right now the good news be say what they dissolve the what the scars. That be the something way they happen. Make I talk you go feel leave your comment, you go feel talk your suggestion for the what the comment under, and also make sure say you go subscribe us. Yes, Too much GH, subscribe. Don't subscribe, you know subscribe it, come on. No one like it, no one share, no be fine. I had the I'm with my follow you was all social media platforms. Social media platform with my follow you too much what GH. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Stay blessed.
Me dey Isaac Odwampo, we betun afem the great ampo mbrembren. Wonu me nka mo ni ehwe too much GH. Too much GH, mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.